Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we've got our privacy fence job wrapped up. Turned out just how we wanted it. Had some issues to deal with the grade in this yard. We've got about 1.5 feet of drop, plus a ravine that drains the entire property that comes through here. Client asked us to elevate the fence to permit water to flow underneath. So we used a mixture of 6 and 8 foot pickets, struck a level line across the top. It is within an inch of grade, and cut everything accordingly. Got an outswing gate, elevated the rear clearance on it, or lower clearance rather, to make up for the grade. Inside clasp, heavy duty 8-inch hinges, and this job is a wrap. Nice straight lines. Clients had some trouble with people walking through the yard, and this will put an end to it. So it's Friday. We're going to call it a day. Head out for the weekend. Hope everyone stays safe. If we can help you out with your outdoor projects, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching.